back by popular frickin' demand. Hey, hi, hello, what is up you guys? I'm Krista Sue. Thanks for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really appreciate it. Today I am filming part 2 to my what to wear to a rave if you're not skinny video. I actually filmed this video yesterday and then I went to go and edit it, and someone must have been mowing something outside because it literally sounded like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre was happening outside of my window. I don't know where I was when that was happening because I didn't hear it at all, but the camera did, so here we are. If it happens again, you are stuck with it. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, the part 1 of this video really just got such positive feedback. So many people commented on it and said that they wanted another one and that it really helped them out, make them feel more confident and find stuff that they would feel comfortable wearing to raves and stuff, and that made me feel really good and I want to do it again. I had to wait a while to accumulate more clothes because I showed you guys all of the rave clothes I owned in that first video, but I found a few really sick pieces that I really like and I can't wait to show you guys. In that first video I was 50 pounds heavier, so I have gotten a lot thinner since I filmed it, but let us not get this confused, guys. I am still a thick girl, okay? These clothes were not designed to fit body types like mine in most cases. But I have found a few that are really flattering, make me feel really comfortable, and that I'm really excited to be on the dance floor with, you know. The caffeine is starting to kick in. Let's do this. So I'm going to be talking to you guys about 2 different brands that I have fallen in love with over the last like 6 months or so. The first one is Magenta Clothing, or Rave with Gente. They're a smaller brand in Florida and they are honestly just the GOAT, really. They fucking rock. I love everything they put out basically, and all of their styles of clothing, like all their different types of tops and bottoms, they come in a bunch of different colors and patterns, which is awesome. Like, yeah, you can find anything you like there, which is super cool. The first thing I'm going to show you, it actually makes me really sad. I wore it on the second day of Paradiso. I actually don't think I've washed this since, yeah, definitely didn't wash it. Whatever. I hear being disgusting as a personality trait now, so. But yeah, this one makes me really sad because I wore it on the second day of Paradiso and I don't know what is in my deodorant, but it caused these huge stains in the armpits that I'll show you. It is this highlighter yellow-green top. It is cropped, but it's longer than a bra, which is really nice. I really like it. It has cap sleeves, which I find really flatter my waist, and it's kind of cinched in the middle, so it accentuates the chest area. It's super cute. It's a real bummer that these stains happened. I'll show you. Can you see them? Yeah, there they are. They are just... I don't know, I think I might be able to pull off wearing this again, but I really don't know. The next thing I got pretty recently is this adorable set. They came out with it in a bunch of different colors, like I told you guys they do, but I got this, oh god, oh god, that was just like violent. Okay, where were we? Oh yeah, this set. They came out with it in a bunch of different colors, but I got the tube top and the tie skirt. Skirts are really in style right now, so I wanted to pick one up, and look at how cute this tie-dye is. It's so vibrant. I love it. It's just a simple tube top. I feel like you could finesse wearing this day to day, you know, honestly. And then here's the wrap skirt. This is just such a simple set to throw on and look really put together and like you tried really hard. I have everything in Rave with Gente in a large, by the way. I think I could be a medium in their stuff because their larges typically fit a 12 to like a 16. But I got this stuff before I lost most of the weight. And it's kind of like their clothes mold to the shape of your body, no matter what they are. It's really stellar. These next bottoms I got from Rave with Gente, they are like a staple in my rave wardrobe. They're just the perfect bottom, honestly. They're these black high-waisted bottoms, and they cinch in the back. So it's like that stuff that makes your booty look like real perky and real round and real cute, you know? And they sit kind of high on the hip, but they don't squeeze at the fat on my hips, and they're just so flattering. Like, you know when you put on bottoms and you're like, oh, it's okay, it'll stretch out while I'm wearing it throughout the day and then it'll be like really comfortable? These already feel like they've been stretched out, but they don't look like they've been stretched out. They're still like holding you in, and they're stellar, honestly. They're so good. You can wear them with anything. Yeah. 10 out of 10. I am so happy that pants are coming into style in the rave scene. Like, sometimes I just don't want my booty cheeks hanging out and flopping everywhere, you know? I want to be a little covered. And these pants I wore on the second day of Hair So with that highlighter top I was showing you. And they're these fishnet joggers. They taper at the ankle like that. And they're just such an easy way to like slip them on and you automatically look like so much edgier and cooler. I really like them. Okay. Next is Dolls Kill. Dolls Kill is one of those sites that they carry a bunch of different types of brands, and sometimes you will spend a little bit more money on there. Their things are a little bit higher priced, but you can find anything at a lower price. They have lots of sales and really good ones, so it's just kind of like waiting it out and seeing what's in your budget. Okay, so this set is not something I would usually particularly go for, if I'm being honest. It is an itty bitty little thing, but it was on sale and I was like, you know, I'm gonna go for it. And it was way more flattering than I expected it to be, but I don't know when I'm gonna get to the point where I'll just like prance around in basically nothing. Maybe someday, but it is this black O-ring zipper underboob top with these high-waisted, no wait, low-waisted, what am I saying? These are very low-waisted. A low-waisted little thong situation. Yeah. So it's this, and it has the same back as those high-waisted bottoms I showed you from Gente. But this top I really, really like. It is an underboob top, and it's one of those tops, it's pretty hard to get all of your boobs into, you know. It is definitely a true underboob top, but I thought it was really cute. What I liked most about it, this is something I definitely try to go for, is things that don't like pinch at my fat and just like fit comfortably around my skin. And this definitely does that for me. It was flattering in that sense. It's just like very little clothing, so. And this set I got in a large. Oh, this hoodie, guys. This is also not something I usually go for. I told you guys in the first one that I usually like to dress like a toddler when I go to raves, but lately I've been messing around with this more dark, moody aesthetic, and I'm kind of vibing with it. So I got this hoodie from Current Mood. It is just a black hoodie that is super, super cropped in the front, so you can show your top off, which is super cool. And it's longer in the back, and then it has a chain, these chains that goes from the front and connects in the back as well. I think going into winter, this is just a really easy way to not be prancing around in a bra and underwear in 30-degree weather, you know? This isn't a medium. I usually get everything in a large from Dolls Kill though. But this is oversized, so a medium is fine. Okay, this last one. When I filmed this yesterday, I wasn't expecting the pants to look so dope on camera like they did, so I'm probably gonna put in the clip of me reacting to it because it was just so genuine. They look so pretty. I'm so excited for you guys to see them. So you'll hear they're kind of in, oh my god, they look so pretty. Oh my god, my heart. Okay. Will I stop geeking long enough to show you these pants? I don't know. I got these beautiful reflective pants. They are a more wide-legged kind of gothic cargo pant. I am so glad I got a large of these because a large barely fits. They are definitely true to size in the sense that they don't have any spandex in them, so they won't stretch to fit around you. So if you are in between sizes and do decide to get these, I definitely recommend sizing up. I do plan on losing more weight, so I think these will fit me more comfortably when I lose a little bit more weight and do end up wearing them. I think I'm gonna wear them to Res in December. I think that would be sick. Oh my gosh. Can we just take a moment of silence for these pants, please? Thank you. Yeah, I think that's it. That's all the stuff that I have acquired since that first video, and I'm so excited to style them and wear them out in the coming months. I'll have the pieces linked down below if I can for you guys to check them out if you want to. And while you're down there, you can just hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to, you can subscribe to me. I mean, if you made it this far, I must have a few redeeming qualities. I don't know. Yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time.